The cost of eyelash extensions is usually higher than the cost of eyelash growth serums. However, after only a few weeks of applying eyelash growth serums religiously, your makeup gets a permanent improvement. The eyelash is considered the curtain to the soul. Therefore, fuller and longer eyelashes are essential for healthy eyes. In addition, the eyelash protects the eyes from dust, sand, and debris that can pose a severe threat to your eyes. Fuller and longer eyelash always gives a brighter look and help boost your self-confidence. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY eyelash growth serum. At first, clean your mascara tube and brush. Add half tablespoon of castor oil, half tablespoon of vitamin E oil, half tablespoon of top quality refined coconut oil. Close the mascara bottle and shake gently. Add 3 drops of lavender oil. Add 3 drops of rosemary oil. Your eyelashes growth serum is ready. Applying your eyelash growth serum is best at night, after your general skincare routine. This approach gets the best benefit, plus you wake up with much fuller and longer eyelashes. It typically takes 3 to 4 months of regular application routine to get the maximum result, although this may vary from person to person depending on age, medical condition, or specific underlying illness. Eyelash growth serum works gradually. Before applying the DIY eyelash growth serum, you should check to ensure you are not allergic to the substances used to prepare the remedy. One of the best ways to determine any possible allergy is to conduct patch tests before proceeding. It's used a lot in hair products, as it helps to promote shiny, healthy hair. In this serum, it helps to stimulate hair follicles to make eyelashes and eyebrows thicker and fuller. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.